Welcome, dear viewers. Today, we'll dive deep into the intriguing book of Hosea, focusing on chapters 4 to 6. If you've ever wondered how timeless wisdom can echo through centuries, these chapters are a must. Imagine a heartbroken yet hopeful plea from God, essentially calling out his people for their missteps, but also shining a light on a path to redemption. As we open chapter 4, God expresses his disappointment with the Israelites. They're missing key elements like truth, kindness, and knowledge of God. It paints a striking picture when God accuses them of swearing, lying, murder, theft, and adultery, almost like checking off a list of societal decay. Verse 6 stands out. My people are destroyed for lack of knowledge. It's a powerful reminder of the importance of spiritual awareness. In chapter 5, God continues to speak, comparing Israel to a stubborn heifer and criticizing both priests and leaders for leading his people astray.
Their sacrifices have become hollow rituals, void of sincere devotion. Verse 15 is crucial here, where God says, I will return again to my place until they acknowledge their guilt and seek my face. This verse shows God's yearning for reconciliation, setting the stage for hope amidst rebuke.
Moving to chapter 6, we're greeted with a call to repentance. Come, let us return to the Lord, starts verse 1, exuding optimism for renewal. Here, God desires steadfast love rather than sacrifice, emphasizing sincere devotion over mere rituals. Verse 6 truly encapsulates this. For I desire steadfast love and not sacrifice, the knowledge of God rather than burnt offerings. These chapters reflect the consequences of turning away from divine guidance, but they also offer hope. They're a masterpiece of divine love intertwined with righteousness. What resonates most is God's enduring patience, even when faced with a nation of distractions. This timeless narrative promises valuable insights and challenges us to seek deeper understanding and authentic faith. Stick with us as we unravel this profound journey of divine love, justice, and hope. Let's explore together how these teachings remain vibrantly relevant today.